Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping, and it's day 7 of the 30 days of sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life. Today's sketch is brought to you by CC Inez, sorry if I pronounced that wrong, also known as Christina Creative on YouTube. So this is the page. It's got quite a few pieces of paper that I can see, 1, 2, 3, and the backing. So let's see what I can do with what I have here. These are the photos that I am using. A photo of my parents on their wedding day, and then in their courting days. So I'm pretty sure they could be the same photo, but I'm going to use the two anyway because there's on the sketch it calls for 2. So anyway, that's what I'm using. I have some red rhinestones, and my title will be, where is it? From the Unforgettable range Cocoa Vanilla, the foam title stickers. And I think it's going to be Love Stories. It's going to be my title there. And the range I'm using is from Kaiser Craft, Magnolia Grove. And I don't know if there's a date anywhere. I can't see it on the front. But this is going to be basically my embellishments. I'm going to fussy cut these flowers out and use them as my embellishments. I'm just looking for a date. There's no date. Anyway, doesn't matter. That is going to be, well, this is what I think I've worked out in my head. This paper is going to be that strip there. Sorry, got a frog. And then this paper is going to be that one that they've got as a polka dot. This is my base page, and then I haven't worked out what the stripy one is yet. But once I get the others on, then I guess I can have a play and see what works. But I do have this one. This is an offcut. So it's already been partly used. So maybe that will work. It's only in a strip here and a strip there. So maybe that will work. Or I've got the leaves. And then the other embellishments I have is the sticker sheet that came with the collection. And I have some leaves and some borders and things I can use here. So that is what I am using. So let's get this page started. Okay, there's the page finished. Looks like the sketch, which is pretty cool. So it's a very vintage vibe on this layout, and I thought because of the papers had that sort of vintage theme already, I thought I'd dig out some ink and sponge around the edges of all the papers and the flowers and leaves. Then realised that I hadn't sponged around the backing for the photos, but I didn't want to take the risk of slipping and getting ink on the photos, so I just left them. Yeah, so added a few red rhinestones to pick up the red that's behind the photos, and a little bit on this paper that you can see. And what else? Used the black hearts to bring in a little bit more of the black from the heading, because otherwise that would be the only thing that was black. So added 3 hearts, because you know the rule of thumb, 3s or odd numbers look better. And I also, the red rhinestones I like to put in 2s. I don't know, it just adds something extra, so I like to do that sometimes. So I hope you like this page, and I encourage you to watch the playlist listed below so that you can see what everyone else is doing for the 30 days of sketches and ooh and ah at their lovely creations. If you have liked this page, please give me the thumbs up. If you are not a subscriber, please consider subscribing, and when you subscribe, hit that notify bell so that you know when my next video comes out. And thank you to all the wonderful people who have subscribed already and come back and keep watching my videos. I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much, and have a scrap happy day. Bye.